Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be doing the differential on that 98 Forester. I'm going to start off with taking all 4 of these bolts out. There are 2 12s, break them loose. After that I'm going to do these 2 bolts. And after that I am going to take these 4 bolts out. Then I'll take these 4, 2 on each side out. And this is what it basically looks like once it's all taken out. Installing the rear differential. And another thing is you can take the CV axles out. It'll be a lot easier to deal with. I'm just choosing not to in this video. It'll make it a lot easier. You'll have to get alignment done if you do take them out typically, unless you just mark your marks on your struts. Now for installing it, the easy way is to get it set up on the jack, and then you're going to basically left one, and then they'll put the right CV axle in. After you get these pins lined up the best you can and try to line up all 3 and use the jack, it'll make it easier, but it is going to be a little challenging. Okay, once you kind of got it up in place, put a nut on here to kind of help hold it up, and then go ahead and tighten these ones down and hook up the drive line, get those all hooked up, and then after that you're going to put that plate on, bolt it up. All right, and just like that, got it all bolted up and in. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next videos.